Ahead. So now welcome back. For the previous video, we don't already, set up our Redux. We don't feed it get the piece of state for the app component. So what do I mean by that? If I change this one to true now, we will see say the app changed to welcome.admin, because for the app component, it just the check when this thing change, then you could just redirect the user to this template here. So now, and also here, if I change this one also if I change this one to Sule, the admin is changed. So everything they work in terms of getting the piece of the state. But within we want, they say, we never feel still log in the user. Say, okay, the user log in without us hard coding the value for here. We want maybe say the request we will make to the backend. Say we'll call the backend for here. This one we'll get for here. Make it be saying that one now go to the user. So if the backend return false, we don't need to carry the user go where you could just say welcome the username. We just need to just show the user, say, okay, you need to log in again, or say maybe your password is wrong. But for us for TP drum, our reducer for Redux in a pure function, that one we could still see how the thing be later. We never write any logic there, because here we just return only state. But our reducer in a pure function, and the request will they make to the backend, I talk say na asynchronous request, which get side effect will not be pure function. So it means say we need something else, and that something else now be Redux-Saga, which we get for here. We get Redux tongue. I talk for the video, so we get Redux tongue and Redux-Saga. I just said Redux-Saga, they're more straightforward. So now that one we're going to install for this video. Within our one book achieve at the end of the day, we say we see this Redux-Saga for the console. Then when we finish that one, then subsequent video we'll come see how we fit make that login user work with Saga and update the state. Yeah, so we could begin. So first, let's say we could create sagas.js for inside the source folder. So I will create sagas.js here. Then I'll just copy this one. I just put on here. Then the same will go the main.js, which we now index.js we get. So we'll go because now Redux middleware. So we'll just import apply middleware from Redux. So I'll go the index here. I will come here for our Redux here. I'll just import them, and the talk say for here we need to import create Saga middleware from Redux-Saga. So we don't put that one there, and then we need to import this our hello Saga. I will just carry that one, put down here. Then the next thing we say we could call this variable create Saga middleware. I'll just copy this one. So may I put, Redux-Saga setup. I just put on here. Then I'll close the bracket to come up for the error. Then, so create store, they take second argument, and that second argument now be this apply middleware. We'll go pass in that Saga middleware variable we will create. So where our store did, this one our store, we don't pass our reducer as the first parameter, and the second parameter is going to be apply middleware, and we'll go pass in that Saga middleware we'll create. And then the final step now say, okay, Mokui run Saga. So after this place, I'll just put this one here, Saga middleware run Saga hello, we will get for here. So, and the idea now just say Mokui C, and for the console say hello Saga, this one. All right, so make I go here, make I refresh, just go here. Okay, hello Saga done there. See, hello Saga done. So our Saga now done the work. We don't set them up, but we never start the work with this login user and making requests, updating the state. That one I will go do for the next video. Ahil.